Are you losing your hair and suffering from low self-esteem? What if I told you that there's a device that helps you reverse your hair loss through non-invasive and non-surgical treatment? Introducing the FDA-cleared Kier laser cap that will help you regrow thicker, fuller, and more beautiful hair. Designed by professionals, Kier laser caps use low-level laser light therapy to regrow hair on the scalps of both men and women. This technology improves cellular respiration and function by stimulating blood flow in the scalp and creating regrowth of the hair follicles. Kier's most popular cap, the Kier 272 Premier, contains 272 medical-grade laser diodes, giving you maximum coverage to combat your hair loss. Use this laser cap every other day for a treatment time of 30 minutes to achieve maximized hair growth results. This treatment can be completed wherever is convenient for you. These completely portable devices can be used at home, in the car, or running errands. Kier offers an incredible money-back growth guarantee if you do not see hair growth after 7 months of use. You can also count on a free 2-year product warranty. So what are you waiting for? Get your Kier laser cap risk-free today and get started on your hair growth journey. It's never been this simple to regrow your hair. Visit www.kier.com to learn more.